Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to install your Saily eSIM on both iPhone and Android so you can stay connected wherever you travel. And before we get started, don't forget to check the description for a link that gives you 15% off any Saily plan. Let's begin with iPhone. Open the Saily app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store. Tap Install eSIM, then tap again to confirm. You'll see a system prompt, just hit Continue. The installation may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll see a Done screen. Follow the steps shown, return to the Saily app, and you should see a notification confirming that your eSIM has been installed. Before you travel, make sure the eSIM is activated in your settings, and that's all you need to do. Your Saily eSIM is now ready to use on iOS. Now let's look at Android. Open the Saily app and tap Install eSIM, then tap again to confirm. You'll get a prompt asking for permission to allow Saily to use your phone's eSIM. Tap Allow, then Continue. The installation will take a moment. Once it's complete, you'll see that the eSIM appears in your phone's settings. Check that it's activated before your trip, and you're good to go. Your Saily eSIM is now ready on Android as well. It's really that simple. No SIM card swapping, no airport kiosks. Just open the app, install, and you're ready to travel. And remember, the link in the description gives you 15% off all Saily plans, so grab your eSIM before your next adventure. Stay connected, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next video.